Kahle. What is up, bro? Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we exert music culture. We always break down our lyrics, try and get the message behind the song. Always give positive feedback. We give inspiration. We encourage other people. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion music. But today's video is another. I think this is ukuthi ngikhuluma kahle nje. Uzothola ukuthi ngiyakhuluma so i-microphone i-off. Yonke lento manje yabona, and things don't make sense not being made. Why? Hey! Ha! Hey! Yeah! Hey! Hey, awuthi ngizizwe kahle la. Hello. Ngithi kuyini right now. Ngiphethe amanzi okuphila endlini. And understand. Ngiphethe amanzi. Ngiphethe amanzi okuphila. What is up, bro? Guys, I ain't coming like man. Although I was tired and I wanted to rest, I didn't necessarily rest. Being busy. I just got busy. And I ain't gonna lie, it was one of the most awkward weeks of my life. Because now, mind you, I'm doing this for so long and now, wow. And then now I took a week off just to rest and hey, kule viki videos, music videos dropped. I have to do 2 album reactions. Kuni. Speaking of Kuning, before I get into today's video, firstly, I just want to give a couple of shout outs first. And thank yous. I want to give thanks to Sis Auntie, Uthando. Manje angazibonga sakho makhubo, angazi why ngazange ngibuze. Yebo. Sis Auntie Uthando waselivini. Ngicela ukubonga umamzika la. Beautiful spirit. She's one of the best youth guardians I've ever met in my life. Very, very optimistic, very joyful, very alive. She's very vibrant. Quick shout out to Nick. Yo, Nkosi yami. Ay, ngizonifika lapho kuyo. A big shout out to Ikalaba Ngole for being there. Youth Yakhona for being there. Last but not least, a big shout out to Ipila Bishop Babunchal. I hope I said it right. Babunchal, yes. Big shout out to him too, man. Just to say I am grateful for everything. So, that's what. They had an event, right? So they had an event, a youth, and at the same time it was interjoined in Father's Day. I get there, bruv. I get there, slapper sakula. When we get there, youth Lapaya is having fun. They're having the time of their lives. These people are playing games and stuff. Well, we got there around 9, 10. Yeah, 10. We get there. I shop. I look around. I see it's beautiful space. By the way, Sekatlego, it's East Rand. Never been there, Bengal. We get there. Look for the toilet first because we wanted male restrooms. Get there. Now, as I'm walking back, walking with Upoina, as I'm walking back from the restroom, I hear somebody calling my name. Wester, I do this. Wester. I'm like, who on earth is calling me? Mangi teacher on my left. Kune quantum, mama aunties wa muniki. You. Hey! lost it. Nigga, where you? Sakana, man. I'm like, whoa, yes. So I go and call my siblings. I'm like, Nikki, na tanabagithi lo nonkula kuyang lama. And then Usam. And Nikki is like, bruv, I don't know these people. She's like, I don't angbazi. Ngazi wena. I'm like, ingane zingilamali. This is serious. Ngithi, asikimi. Yabona wena ufana nomamva. So my dad used to be called Mvangeli back in his younger days. So bathi wena ufana nomva. I mean bathi wena ufana nomamva. So my mother umamva because of my dad. And then uputom nomncane kuthiwa kuye wena ufana nova, which is my dad. He's like, yeah. And then she introduced me to her daughter, ufana naye. I'm like, hey, how are you? Hey, Yapila. And then she's like, dog, why would you put me on blast like that? Nitsukuya, what do you mean by that? She's like, dude, why would you go and fetch album and come back? I had people calling me, but hey, nangu mfana kakabu ukhuluma ngawe lana. Hey. I'm like, but ngenzeni? In my head, ngitsukuya phela mfethu, I have to, people need to know ukuthi eZayoni ngikhulela khona. Listen, I'm born there. Why? And then I had to go and practice. Tell me why. Masiya so rehearse. Another quantum comes in, makes a U-turn, basically reverse. In my head, I'm like, oh. And she's very short, by the way. She's very short. In my head, I'm like, at that time, I didn't even know her name. I'm like, uyen. Yabona ngiyampekela ngithi uyen. Ay. Reza straight. But I was on to breakfast. I was speaking ngale nje basibambe ngama sandwich. Masasipuma, she walks in front of me. I'm walking with someone, she walks in front of me. Ngibuza lo muntu engihamba naye ngithi ubani kamla kathi kahle. Ngibe at the same time no. Ngamhluphi. Because one thing about me, I don't have that. I don't have the thing ukuthi abantu or whatnot. No, I'm not. I'm alone. I'm that person. When I get in the way, I blend in and I behave with people. But in most cases, I don't really talk to people. I'm talkative, but I don't really talk like that. Hi, sharp. Siyenze okusenzayo. Hayi thi isonto seliyangena ke manje sihamba ke soqoka sesibahle. Afika umama ubani? If akusomamzikala nomambani. Yeah. Athi kimi I believe program director yami ngaphandle inkonza ingeni. Yangazi mina. I look back. But well, I'm like me. Yeah. I'm like no way. Look, bro. Me frame. Program director, brother. Oh my God! Hey, Ibla, this is my name. By the way, it's my name. I'm like, what do you mean? Yes. Fika kimi ufest lady. Athi phela ay fika ngale tells me good programs are run kanjani what not and what. I am like sharp. And then singene eholweni. Hayi baculeke abantwana because bonke abantwana I'm at that age ukuthi manje ngikwazi ukuthi ingane Nkosi yami. Hayi icule lapha iyouth yethu singene. Mangene ngena number last, but before that I saw people. Sharp, dude, I could angas. But I could feel it's about to get late. They were like, and thought people's eyes was just glowing. I see. Must figure le phambili. Sisacula sakwabo. I hear these kids emva kwami. Omunye she had beautiful hair, beautiful long hair, and then she has a ponytail. Bekami nomngani wakhe. But him, whoa, I celebrity in my head. In my head, I'm like, I'm like, I don't know. I still have this thing with people don't know me. Yeah, but I go away the first to school. Hayi sharp usuku. Nje ngizwa nje bathi hayi phela lethani ikhali ehlonywa ikhaya. Ngathi good shot. Thathe-ke ikhumula amatenyu wabeka le. Hayi zibuye. Hayi hlonywa ikhali khulekwe kids. Hayi khulekwe. Hayi usuku amen. Hey! Hayi yabona izolo we didn't have time ne besijoga izolo. Besiqala. Hayi yanjwa bafethu living. My man kanje living Joe. I'll tell me for sure zungeze for like 10 if not 15 minutes bro. Ya anjwa into okudlala. Hayi sharp siye ngaphandle. Oh, before that, I head towards the back to go and put on my shoes and my socks. While I'm chilling here, a gentleman comes to me. So I went, hey, kunjani yaphi? Now in my head, he looks at me. And with my head, I'm like, it's Andile! Hey! I said, I go put Andile. Hey, come here. I'm here, Ula. Dude, I thought you were from Durban. Like, no. I'm like, yo, put the good job and come here. I'm grand. Hey. Shut. Before all of that, I met someone, must changer, while we were getting ready to start the program. I met a guy in the bathroom, ayilungise, in the restroom. So I'm helping him. Ayafasa fasa fasa kahle abe muhle nje ubhuti abantu. Qhubeka. Langa laphaya ngifike get called nayi MC. I'm still in awe. Mind you, a living they came out in numbers. One thing engiyibonile from yesterday, the level of support and the level of love living have for each other, impeccable. It was impeccable. Yes, Mamzigalal uthe makayisho lento ukuthi dude, I was not expecting the number of people. Mina bengicabanga ukuthi kuzoba yi-youth kuphela. Bro, people came. Like, yo. Like, hey, bruv, it was abantu babahle ba-white. Hayi cishe saba ba-white. Abanye ba-green laphayana le. Hey, Nkosi yami. Abanye ba-green nje namahembe purple. Hayi. Sha. Yimloyo senya announce ukuthi no kuzonzakala so. Hayi mom who was it? I think lady. Yeah, lady pastor. I don't know. There's a picture. Wait, let me see. Hey, man. I'm trying to remember who it was. Lady. Mom Ngobo gives me a parcel. And honestly, not a parcel. She gives me not a parcel, she gives me a gift. Alright? Now I looked at the gift and I went like, man. I'm smiling. Because now it's rude not to smile for something that you don't like. I honestly didn't like this. Man, I love this. Hey, it's even telling why I don't like this. Dude, the last time I had something in a Kamala Milana was my ID back in 2018. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't think. Look, bro. The last time I had a gift in a Kamala Bogi ITM. Are you serious? You told it can be easy. That's a living. With my name on it. My name, bro. Mine. Oh my god. And while I'm at it, I get a shirt. I I get a shirt, a golf shirt, bruv. Oh, look, bruv. I can't like this, bruv. I love this. Matter of fact, I'll tell you, fire munch. Yay, yay. Guys, nanadala. Well, I couldn't do izinto that I would do umuntu makathola into ayithanda bokuthi ngigile lal yo yay yalisana ukuthi noma kunama events nje lapha living ngiyofika ngiso gift has ngihlale phansi. I almost for a second I almost cried. Like I almost cried. I held my tears first. I was like, wow. I'm like, I can't believe this is happening. Like, I cannot believe this is happening. Sharp. Preach your first lady. Why is first lady? Oh, lady, no. I preach it. Sharp. Singing go. Let's see. The main item of the day. Now, let me break down. Guys, look, man. The singing, the singing. Mind you, it's just youth. It's just youth. Kids and people my age. And abaphelelanga njalo. It's like a portion of them. These, oh my God. They sang the roof off where we were. There was a time I stood like this and I looked at them. And I'm like, how do you guys sound so perfect? Like, Malivo, one thing engizoyisho before I continue. Whatever it is eniyenzayo to youth living, please, that must not stop. That right there must never stop for nobody. Bruv, hey, the thing is, man right that you living a code, it's mostly everyone. That day, not that day, yesterday, it was just youth. Then there was a lady, two ladies were fighting to the green who would occasionally sing every now and then. Beautiful voices. And then there was Manjanga's little Coco mom. But she looked a bit older. Bagama specs. Your voice, oh my God. I was alive. Being tanta, being so. Bengant. Bengithi into ngiyoyikhoma yona mangisuka lana nge-Living Well Ministries. Nkosi yami. Yo, nkosi yami. Cishe ngashona izolo. Cishe ngashona. Hey! And another thing. Yes, Kalama Ngolebe lapha. But I'm not really necessarily going to like dive into them kakhulu. I don't want to take a shine away from Living, but I also want to give them their props. Waqala ke uButmond did a fantastic job. Spoke about Tabitha and how much you cannot do izinto on the public eye. Everything that you do, you have to close the door. There are just some things ongafanelanga because it's funa wena. Before salapho uneli ngwenyaza kimi athi I'm nervous. I'm like So ngihleli lana ngihlezi ni podium. Ay bese kube ithuba laka Neli. Usisneli spoke about something that is so taboo. Talking about mental health. As a survivor in suicide attempt, it is very important to talk about those things. It is very important to seek help. it is very important for parents to check on the mental health well-being of your kids, irrespective of the age. Wathi uNeli sibulawa yi, how are you as a person? How your day? When? And that hit hard. Like, oh, in my head, I'm like, yo. I'm like, ukhuluma. You understand? Apart from the verse that she was talking about, her talking about the mental look, man. And then before that, she made us sing. But it's a very popular song that got us into a high spiritual space so that you can feel what she's talking about. Sis Nelly knows how to put in the context with the emotions. That's her job. Yeah, she did a great job. No, big ups to her. Hi, it's a man labo. Number 5. Item number 6. Kuthiwa kahle. Manje ngithi angazi futhi put kahle. Kanti ukhetho oculayo. Hayi ukhetho afika. Very short. Ngithi kuye athi kimi ngicela bavale ngizocala yami ingoma. I'm like, uyizwa wena na? Ngithi ayifile. Hey, ayizwa nkosi yami iyouth. Sabathi nyakhi, but okunye one thing I always say is this. Wena makumoya engcwele. Singing, there's nothing I can do. Okunye nje bokukwenza kabo nje. Yay. Next time ngizonxosha. Ngizonxosha kuservice yenu. Ukhetha cala ingoma. Skyrock, shwi. Kiriska. Lalela. When Kat sang, bruv, when she sang, I was chilling. The entire time, I looked at her like this. I'm like, oh yeah. I'm like, oh yeah. In my head, I'm like, oh yeah, Nacho. I was like, oh yeah, it's her. You know what Kat spoke about? Humility. Oh my God. She said, I'm even uncomfortable. Kat said, the problem is that God gave you something. And just because it's better than other people, you put yourself in a position where you shouldn't. I was like, baby girl, preach. I'm like, Koloma. She said, she spoke about, I think it's Peter. Oh, was it? Bano. David. She said, there are people who have and know more than you. And yes, you are gifted more than them. But you need to know your place. Oh my God. That one needs. That child said, Maktiwe, Yamgela, She said, if the line is being drawn, and Agutiwa, this is where you should stop there. Unfortunately, we live in a world where people have talent better than whoever has been there before them, forgetting about experience. She said, you can have it, but if you can't be humble, you are as good as a dead duck. I am paraphrasing. I looked at this child and I said, Banjo, who is teaching these people? Who is grooming Abu Sisi Basi living? Because whoever it is, man, I look. Oh, skip the most important person. Lady senior pastor, guys, mina ngumlungu mina. Ngabe bokimi ngipronounce igama lakhe usenior pastor bengizothi wathi azange bahleke sona. But I'm just being honest. Beautiful lady. Ufika lapho angibhatshaza. Asanda ukugibela ama steps in what awuna discipline, awuna order. Ngathi yo sorry. Beautiful lady. She spoke about mawuyinja uziphatha kanjani ebandleni, which is the most important thing. Ukuthi, how do you behave? You can't be dating, doing unnecessary stuff, coming to church drunk and all of that. No. She laid the law before everyone. Ngimskipile, I am so sorry for skipping. She laid the law. Talking about behavior yomuntu omusha ebandleni. Which is very important in this day and age. Because you have to constantly remind these people, yo, awukwazi ukuzenzela kusestradeni apha. It's the place where you have to accommodate your feelings and everyone's integrity. Akuncane lokho. And then I think one lady bekangekho, I think uSiskosi wasazola, she was not there. And then kwafika, there's a child oye wafika before ngizofika kubuso. Oh, ngareplace uSisinkosi ngoKhanya Mata. uKhanya Mata, she looks like a 14 or a 15-year-old girl child. I was more intrigued about her confidence more than what she said. At her age, she cooked, bruh. She cooked. And I still stand back to, hey, guys, who is grooming these kids? Ngane lokho. Isathi bhu ngilinde la. Kwangena uBongiwe. Ubongiwe ungena uBongiwe. Bongiwe, what you 1, what you 2, what you 3, what you 4, what you 5, something. I was like, hey. I after Bongza, wafika uBrad. uButvusi. Qala ngengoma wazaso. uButvusi spoke about ukuyiphatha as a guy as well. And I had to emphasize on top of that. Because bayangacamba ma. And also emphasizing the fact that we should be using God no matter what. Because wakhuluma ngamahubo 23. Choose life, God. I even spoke about it after that. Guys, it does not matter. Listen, bro, you do good, you do bad, people complain. Alright? And then, if it was, I think it was before uButvusi. Yeah, I think it was before uButvusi. uSisneli asked me, athi kimi, where babka, ngithi sure. At which song do you like? Cishe ngathi Sister Betty, ngiyadlala. Ngathi ngicela, ngathi ngithanda iSimkhothamela. They sang it. Look, I was on a time budget. I was told, my boy, abantu bayagojola. So please, when they sang iSimkhothamela, let me play the audio for you. Let me bless your ears. When they sang iSimkhothamela, bro, I listened to that song. I barely viki the song. That's how much of a fan I love that song. Right? Look, man, and I don't know why I downloaded the video. Let me download it real quick. Lalela ke. Oh, bengithi lalela, best I don't play it. Hey. Now, I need you to understand something. One thing about me, I don't have time to take out my phone and record. Like I genuinely don't do that. Like I like to enjoy the moment. Record. I'm just not that person. Listen to this. Nyakuluma in the background because I was taken aback by it. Not this video. Where is it? Oh, they're not even wrong. Anyway, bruv, I mean, as Ustelo, I don't do that. I don't have time to sit there and record. I've never done that. That's why I don't have a lot of things, because I was in the moment. All I wanted to do was to enjoy. And guys, no, Melanie video. Nyabuya. Or him get a lawyer. I don't do that, guys. I mean, I like enjoying the moment. Right now, listen to this. Let's just listen to this.
Ladies, we have 10 minutes.
I had. I'm so mad at myself because better phone, so vale microphone. They sang that song. I entered the same quarter man. And then Sim quarter man. And then there's a part where I saw. When I say I saw God, ne, as Cat, I love the way you preached and I love the way you carry yourself. Cat, there's a part where you go up. Cat, there's a part where you oh my God. Let me look for this video. I don't know the lyrics to the song, but there's a part where Cat went high. This child went high. I looked at her for a second and I went like, no way. I was like, no way. Where is this video? I think you could lay on your phone. I don't know. Look, bruh. There's a part at the. Oh! Oh! Yeah! No, listen. There's. I want to talk about my lyrics when sometimes it sucks. Right? There's a part. Oh, Katla was just. All I can say is she sounds exactly as she sounded on that video in person. Sometimes my God, that part dude, she said that part maybe like 4 or 5 times. When she said, see, I didn't know what thing is Bambi Queen. That is the ngaleso skhathi kuthiwa kimi, hey, skhathi. In my head I'm like, nizolinda kancane. I love the song. Nizongxole. You understand? And man, that song shook me. That is one of my favorite songs sang by eLiving. Hands down. Speaking of which, there was a guy who was leading Lapayam. He was singing most of the song. This is the same guy being him Caesar. Njengoba bekafaka umgaco neband. My guy, I didn't catch your name. My guy. Oh, bese kuba nalo bhuti ubani angazi Spusiso or Trevor, I don't know who is who. That man bekafake ijazi eligreen. That man, dude, Vusi, Andile, dude, y'all are amazing. Like, I'd be bruv, listen. Before Nyasa Kwabeni, this part, where is it? Where is it? When Cat said, as in Aksanandaba, Suhala in La. Dog, I don't think Eleven can understand how much joy they are bringing with their voices to people. Sharp! Umbala ngabikho. I replace Usihle Masilo. Yeah. This is slow. Amahla amancane. Hey! Guys, and women, bafundisi babomama, where do you guys get that from? Nobody. It seems like it's a woman thing. You guys know how to draw an audience. You guys know how to Nisige man length of man. Nisige ni bege la payan and leave us going. When Sihle was preaching, Sihle Magashu yay. I'm telling you, the ad could have opened in between when she was speaking. When she was speaking, her preaching was so good. Her preaching was so good that although we were on a limited time, I had to just sit down and soak it in. I'm like, dog, how do you guys do that? Ngane lokho. Ekugcineni kwavalo Ayanda masana busisi Ayanda. Usisi Ayanda uthe makafika la. To top up on top of to close on top of everything that everyone was talking about. She spoke about representation. Listen, representation at its best. Mind you, Nelly spoke about the importance of mental health, right? Umande spoke about you can't do things in public. There are things that you have to address. God need to. Ne, Ukatlego spoke about humility. Uvusi spoke about ukuyiphatha and integrity. Usihle spoke about navigation, like navigate yourself. Zibeg. And then Ayanda makafika wabhala it's not about you specifically, but who you are representing. Because when you mess up or you do something, I was like, yeah, nah, that's powerful. I was like, that is powerful. Everyone who was on the podium on Sunday gave their best. I may not remember everything at once, but they gave it their all. And then Sangenes Kwabin. I want one thing and then job shoot. I don't want to take a shine away from you living. Kalaban came. and they grabbed. Kodwa i-living ngathi bayatshelana labantu ukuthi bafetha sambili sogwaba. Wonke umuntu lapha phambili amasita empty. And ngimile I'm like, Awuthi kuyagwaba kulela bandla. Kuyagwabwa kulela bandla. Oh, and another thing, big shout out to wonke ama-graduate wase living before I forget about them. Big shout out to you guys for your hard work. Also, something Uneli Aishilo was, we live in a time where, yes, things are messed up, but things are also easy accessible. I also want to say to people, just because you are not academically smart does not mean there are not other opportunities for you. Take me, for example. I don't like school. Because why? I'm not good at it. But there are things that I can do. I can cook. I can talk. Go study for those things too. You can play soccer. Master it. She also emphasized about mastering into and make it your own. Sisahlezi lapho. And then, because I know Usizanele Masido, that was not her name. I forgot her name. It was somebody else. When she spoke about Nigel, guys, we live in a time where we get exploited. Nigel, mele. And then when you do that, people question, which she said, it has nothing to do with you. Akubuhlungu umuntu anikele ngemali abadisa ngayo. Gcine leyo mali ekhoza inkinga. Inkinga Nkosi yami. Inkinga. Hayi kwanikela kwaqeda. Because of time, kufanele kunikela ngithi kuqala and then get back to the preaching. And then bafika abantu abazokhuluma about, substance abuse and addiction, navigating online safety and citizenship. Nangu Dr. Mjali, sesigwaba laphayana sekayagodwa. That man preached. That man spoke. No, that man spoke. Afike lady pastor P Zigala. She said, and I'm paraphrasing, Jal. She said, during the course of the day, as much as youth ending is living their life the way, but I think it was not Ubungi. Masfika ku praise and worship before sakuma mzikala. Sister, Zintle sangweni. She said, uzothola bati. She said, the Bible says asidle ubusha bethu, but iyutening ubusha babo bayabuchitha. Oh my God. Going back to Mngwathi Ngxolela, athi ayithi usesangweni said ubusha siyabuchitha, right? Ubusha bethu siyabuchitha. Mngwathi wathi uthole sesikhompyutha neingane with our husbands. Uthole ingane are the ones destroying families now. Bruv. Athi usizinhle. Zibhek. You know when she said zibhek? For a second, I looked at this woman and I said, yo. Athi ubusha bakho ungabuchithi. Because once it's gone, it's gone. Thoma ngawo mara ungabuchithi. We go outside right now and we see people younger than us, or people my age, throwing away their youth. Just because, that's what I said, just because we youth, akusho ukuthi you should be associated with the bad stuff only. I was like, wow. Same thing, Moibuya, Uputvusi. What young into has to be guided by God. While ulapo, we understand that ukhetna makafika ufika ngokuthi humility, just because you have it does not give you the chance to overstep and be disrespectful. While you're at that, Uneli comes and say depression exists. They covered whatever was needed to be covered. I don't think you can understand that. And then Umonde comes in and then he also speaks about privacy. Do you get the message behind it? Is someone else? Bruv, the way it clicked, and then one thing, Dr. Mchali, before I go to Dr. Mchali, I was like, oh my God. I was like, yo, how could you say something like that? The very same people ever calling a praise worship should also come and choose God again and kabusha. Because even them, they needed to. Even the pastors needed to. I was like, yo, wafika ke umamzekala wathi youth nisahamba noNkulunkulu na, wathi nisahamba naye na. One thing she also emphasized on wathi umusha, yes, but at the same time it is hard to let go of something ogi habit. How many people say that? How many people say that? How many people say, it's gonna take a while? What you give me? I'm not changing who you are, but I'm changing the hamba. Oh, women, you are saying something that people don't say. How hard is it to fight an addiction? How hard is it to fight a habit? And she also said what she loves about the UTAC is the fact that even when they do something, they still come back. Referencing back to what Ukatleho said, which was Uitoba. Oh my God. I must have said, how go say I'm having no Bishop Mchali. Agasemute. Ooh, I felt like a newborn baby. But I'm like efficient. Very humbled man. Beautiful man. Very supportive. After that, it was lunch. I didn't really get a chance to mingle, but one person came and took photos with me, and then communicated with a couple of people before I leave. Oh, before that, right after a present worship, before Sizoval. While ngisamile lapha uput andilak memes athi hayibo MC wazokhwaba nami ngizonikombisa video at the end. If I can convince at the end on my TikTok channel. Athi put vus wasafethi I put vus I put and athi wasadota sokhwaba saya. Ngithi bese bengila. Bengila fana. Hey! Hey! Hi! And which song it was? Hey! Hi, Mafit. Hi, living. Live. Oh, cause I'm living. Living. What song was it? bruv, I need you to understand something. It's yay, Mona. I need you to understand something. Le nto enzakale Sunday was one of the most beautiful experience of my life. Being part of something as big as being trusted to do something like, you know how hard is it? Shout out to youth yonke yase living. Shout out to like mad shout out. The discipline behind youth Elapaya, the passion behind it, the love they have for each other. If who spoke about this? I think Bongliwe. Ukuthandana amongst each other. I don't remember who it was. As if Bogu Ayanda or Boguban, but somebody said it's not a common thing. Oh, Ayanda said. If also Ayanda, somebody said it, man. Oh, I think Lady Ngobo, she said, Limla Bulal. And then somebody, if not Ayanda, what you look at the person and already some umbulele. I think Mamno. She said, that's not your job. Your job is to correct inegu. It's not to judge. Until now, we live in a time where people are judges now. And it's true. On Sunday, you will think I'm lying. Like, you will think I'm lying. I would love to fellowship again in the living. Honestly, it was a fantastic day. This is the program. To see my name, to see this. And all I'm saying, Gucci, excuse me, is Zion is saving lives. Lives are being saved. It's been a while since I've seen youth that vibrant. It's been a while since I've seen youth that might have the same idea as us, as me. You understand? The only thing I listen to every youth is drugs, no drug. Right now, I'm at the age where having a child is, I'm at the right age, 25. But before that, be careful. Be careful of the things you say. Be careful of the things that you do. But at the same time, I also said, which was something I was referencing from Uput Vusuguti. In life, you do good, people talk about you. You do bad, people talk about you. It's the same thing. Asinoma ngathi wenza into enhle kuyafana. There are people who still talk. But guess what? Asikwazi ukuphilela labo bantu labo. Can we? We cannot. Awukwazi. Hayi mina manzi okuphila ningiqedile shem. Bengithela amanzi angeke ngiwavule ngifuna ukwaframe mara hayi awuthingi ithi sipnyana. Hey! And a big shout out to living as a whole. Big shout out to everyone. Thank you guys for this. This is beautiful. This is amazing. And I could not stop staring at this head since I got it. Like I kid you not. I was like, being acknowledged by or being acknowledged by such a big church was crazy. First lady, why in first lady? Umam Ngobo or Umam Zikala, one of the two. Oh, Umam Ngobo, she said, mina sizoba social media ngisazi. Mara ngimzwile mina ibhuti. Master Soceta. Ulethu uzali mamzikalala uthi kimi uze. Uze ukhuluma umsanga ngizongena ngokushaya through the phone ngathi ha. Ngathi threat engaka phambi kwabantu. But to ibranch yaseKatlehong, Umam Zikalala is by far one of the best person to have ever been appointed for youth. She's playful but handful. She's teaching and loving. Right? She's begging but disciplined. And into I emphasize ukuthi if it means ukuthi we have to push abantu, we will do that. Emphasizing on the behavior part. And that's what Umam Nwati said. What he and understanding, when they said that, I was like, wow. Now it also made me feel good about what I'm doing with this YouTube channel. She said, it's not about you. It's about the people that came before you because you are blessing them. You are blessing them. She said, Nibabusisa ismangen ngasas. And that touched my heart. Because in Kumuza, what my grandfather was saying, ukuthi ungenza umuntu ebantwini ngalokho kwenza. So hearing umuntu omdala say that made me go like, wow, I'm not doing this for myself only. But but because we are too caught up at being young, we don't see that. So look, manzophila niyaphila impela living. Bangasangwari. I have only youth being shem. And then after that, we took pictures, but because of time, we had to leave. I said my goodbyes, and I was like, so food. And then people were like, yay, you better. Ngati for sure. Ngati for sure. But outside from that, youth living is by far one of the best I've ever seen. Ever seen. And I'm not taking shine away from anybody or anything. When I was there yesterday, the chemistry and ubafetu, I would love every person who's still young to witness what I saw on Sunday. That was so beautiful. No one is jealous of anyone, but we are all here for one purpose. And if everybody brings their best, we all shine. That's what I saw on Sunday. So, ay bafethu uthi nami ngihambe nenza itiye nkosi yami. Sivale ngithi le kepisi leli. Hey. So, hey, in the favorite words of make sure you subscribe. I didn't say it, but in the favorite words of Jupiter. Adios.